is at. More Blackpool fans coming down here. Lee Good finishing in under 52, brilliant time. All these people.
No sign of Jed Mills yet, Chris.
No sign of Jed yet. You're going to come in under 52 minutes. Give him a round of applause here. Coming in.
Give this gentleman a round of applause. Well done, sir.
Sprint finish here from 29.01. Coming in again under 52. You're going to finish under 52 minutes.
Keep coming, guys. Well done, keep coming. Well done to you, each and every one of you. Give these ladies a cheer. Come on.
It's so important to keep this noise going down here on Middle Walk as people come over the finishing line. Youngster coming in just over 52 minutes. You're all looking great. What a brilliant, brilliant effort this year.
Keep the noise going, spectators. Keep cheering.
Coming over here, hand in hand.
Keep supporting these runners. Keep supporting them.
We've got a clown coming down here, going to finish in a great time under 53 minutes. You're running under 53. It's starting to get busier and busier down here. Can we ask you not, please?
Keep moving forward, runners. Keep
clowns coming in here.
There's a couple of clowns. Well done, the clowns.
Come on, 20. You're going to do under 53 minutes. What a great time. All coming in under 53.
Under 53. Come on, under 53. Done. Keep moving, keep running, under 54 minutes, the runners coming in now, you're going to be under 54 minutes.
Well done, Hawk. Global just coming over the finishing line there. More sprint finishes.
Under 54 minutes, runners, you're under 54, come on, keep going.
It is going to get busier and busier down here on the finishing line. As more and more people come over for your safety, please do not try and cross the middle walk in front of the runners. Please walk round. Looking good. Lots of waving. Well done, Will from Radio Wave. Will from Radio Wave in a great time, under 54 minutes. Great to see people handing out here as well as
Well done, everybody. Keep coming. You're doing so well. Under 54 minutes now. You're going to get under 54. Keep coming.
54. Well done. Sprint finish on this youngster down here.
Well done, kid.
Just on the 54-minute mark. More people running for Trinity. This is the Beaverbrook 10K 2013 with Trinity. Looking good here as you come over the finishing line. Well done to all these runners. We've had Robin, now we've got Batman. Give it up for Batman coming in. Well done, Kevin Warwick as Batman.
We're waiting for John White as well. He's the one wearing the shorts.
We're looking out for Jed Mills from the Radio 8 breakfast show as well. Not yet seen Jed Mills come down.
Keep coming, guys. Your time is under 55 minutes. Are you going to make it? Look at the clock. You're under 55 minutes. The little lady in pink. Let's have a sprint. Come on. Let's get there. Keep cheering. Keep supporting. Keep clapping. Keep shouting. John's finished 20 minutes ago.
Look at these 55 minutes. What a running. 55 minutes coming over the finishing line. Well done. Looking good.
Keep going, guys.
55 minutes. What a run. Well done. Looking great, fabulous. Well done to every single person for getting out there and taking part in this event. If you've never done it before, this may inspire you to take part next year. Looking good. Somewhat challenging conditions, certainly on the way down to the mirror ball before they turned, and all looking good. Lots of Trinity t-shirts as people come over the finishing line. Please be careful not to cross the road down here. We don't want you to get in the way of the runners. Looking good as they come down over the finishing line. They're all coming in under 56 minutes. All these people are going to finish under 56. Well done to Kirsty Mother-Carey, finishing in under 56 minutes. What a great time. Well done, Kirsty. Come on, let's keep that applause going as people come down over the finishing line. You're all going to finish under 56 minutes. Well done, Kate, from the Far Coasters, coming in under 56.
Keep coming, guys. Keep coming. You're doing really well. Look at the time.
Wynn coming on the finishing line. Former Blackpool Mayor. Well done, Rob Wynn.
Blackpool Mayor, Robert Wynn, ladies and gentlemen. Well done, Robert.
Well done to Steve. Steve Haydock coming over the finishing line there in a very respectable 56 minutes.
John White did it in 30-something minutes. John did it. Well done, John. We've been waiting for, well, his brother's been waiting for him
Well
for
done,
20
looking
minutes.
good here, coming over the finishing line.
Not even that.
All these people finishing under 57 minutes. The Beaverbrook 10K 2013 with Trinity.
Well done.
Big smile on this lady's face as she comes down over the finishing line. Great to see people with a smile on the face. 78 looking
Well
good.
done.
Coming down here. Well done, David. Well done. 56
Well done,
minutes.
sir. Keep coming, you're under 50.
Another Blackpool fan. Great to see so many Blackpool shirts out there on the course today. More sprint finishes. Great to see Blackpool Football Club represented out there. This is the Beaverbrook 10K 2013 with Trinity, Radio Wave and the Gazette down here on the finishing line with Stardream. All your times will be in Monday's Gazette. Give them a round of applause. Coming in just over 57 minutes. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Looking good. Another holding hands down here. We love this. Coming over the finishing line in 57 minutes. You're all going to finish in under 58 minutes. What a great time. Come on, give him a cheer. Coming over in.
Come on, guys.
58. You're all going to beat 58 minutes.
Well done, guys. Well done. There we go. Well done.
Come on, you're all going to beat 58 minutes.
Come on, guys. 58 minutes. Under
58 minutes. She's going to be coming in under 58 minutes.
Steve Thompson, the assistant manager, Blackpool Football Club, just finished. Well done, Steve.
Looking good, just over 58 minutes.
Sensi coming through there. Well done. Keep coming, guys. Keep coming. Cross that line, sir.
So all these people just over 58 minutes coming in. Gentleman carrying his coat down here. Well done to all these runners. Well done, sir. Looking good there from Brisbane High School. You're all going to beat 59 minutes. Come on, give them all a round of applause.
Come on, guys. 59 minutes. You're going to get in 59 minutes. Keep coming. Well done, sweetheart. Keep coming, guys.
These are great times.
Under 59 minutes, the runner's coming in now. Well done to you.
I do know lots of people this year in the Beaverbrook 10K want to beat the hour mark, Joe. So the next minute, let's keep the cheers going because all these people are running under the hour mark. Lots of people aim.
Well done.
So come in, the Teletubbies. Please give it up for the Teletubbies.
The Teletubbies have lost weight, haven't they? My God, since the
All
start.
these runners are coming in under 60 minutes.
Under 1 hour. The Incredible Hulk. The Incredible Hulk. It's the Incredible Hulk.
All these runners are going to beat the hour mark.
Under 1 hour. Come on, sweetheart. How long to go?
So many people set themselves the target to run under 1 hour. You're all going to come in under 1 hour, under 60 minutes. Well done, all these people finishing in the with Trinity, Wonder Woman, Batman and Robin. You're all going to finish under the hour. All these people beating the hour mark.
Come on, you're going to get under the hour. Keep coming. Under the hour. Keep coming.
Keep going under
2,
the hour.
1. You've done it. Well done. Give them a cheer, everybody. Under 1 hour.
Coming in on the hour mark down here. And numbers swelling. The runners all come in around the hour mark. Great to see so many people this year. Runners from 11 years and over are allowed to take part. So younger runners out there on the course. Give all these people a round of applause.
Come on, let's have a big cheer for the younger runners, 12 years old and upwards this year, to be part of the 10K fun run. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, you've got a bit quiet out there. Let's have some more cheers and applause.
Looking good. All these people coming in on the hour mark. Well done. What a fabulous run to come in on the hour mark. Finishing the Beaverbrook 10K in just over an hour.
Come on, Mark! Come on, babe!
Can you just tell me, Chris,
Right,
that the first wheelchair across the line was Dave Bullington, 59.42, 1971.
Mark Holzer coming over just over an hour. Mark Holzer been running this for lots and lots of years. Looking good, Mark. Well done, great effort.
Well done to Donna Tullican. Donna Tullican, well done to you, Donna. Good to see you. Congratulations to Donna Tullican.
Well done, Donna. Come on, let's keep this applause going, all these people.